Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to copy your Ethereum address from Binance in 2025. Whether you're sending ETH to friends, staking, or just managing your wallet, knowing this step is essential for smooth transactions. Let's dive right in. This whole process should take you less than a minute once you're familiar with it. First off, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't already, head to the Binance website or open the app and enter your credentials. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that you're on the official site to avoid any scams. Step 1. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. You can find this by clicking the wallet icon or tab at the top of the page. It's usually right next to your profile. Step 2. In the wallet overview, look for Spot Wallet or Fiat and Spot. This is where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Step 3. Scroll down or search for Ethereum, ETH, in the asset list. Click on it to open the details page. Step 4. On the ETH page, you'll see your wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Right next to it, there should be a copy icon, like a little duplicate button. Just click that, and your address will be copied to your clipboard. That's it. Now, you can paste your ETH address wherever you need it, such as in a transaction or exchange form. A quick tip: always verify the address before sending any funds to prevent errors. One wrong character could mean lost crypto forever. If you're new to this, practice in a safe environment first. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe and keep building your crypto knowledge. See you in the next video.